Hello everyone and welcome. So today's video is going to be about the daily combo for this Musk Empire, but I'm going to tell you something before you actually get the Musk Empire daily combo. It is much advisable to actually earn more so that you can be able to stake more. Okay, so let's go ahead and just earn more. Come over to Quest, and from here claim this daily reward. Claim it. Once you've claimed that, go ahead and just click on this one after you're done completing the rest. So let's go over to the video. This video, watch the video. When you click on watch video, it's going to take you to YouTube, but just come back immediately, and then this is going to be episode 5. You can see, so the code to episode 5 is actually going to be, okay, from here you can see episode 5, right? The code to episode 5 is going to be 33647. This is the code for the YouTube of episode 5. Check the code and it should be correct. Go ahead and check the second video here, episode 4. Watch the video, and right from here the code is going to be, let's just go ahead and check the code for the episode 4 is going to be 77375. This is the code. Check the code. As you can see, we got the code correctly. Okay, so the last and the final thing you need to do is the riddle of the day. The answer to this is going to be positioning. So let's go ahead and check the answer. Positioning. And as you can see, check the answer. We got that correct also. So if you actually try to do the remaining tasks, you can go ahead and claim this one once it's filled up. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to go ahead and do that. Let's just go ahead and go straight into the main part. Go over to N, click on improve, click on cities. So under cities, click on stock exchange. And from here right now, you can see that we have to actually guess 3 cards correct. So the first card on our list, before we start doing anything right now, you can see that the first card on our list is going to be called OnlyFans model. Go scroll down, click on OnlyFans model. I'm going to increase my bid to 140k and try my luck there. You can see I got it correct. The second card we can choose for today is going to be called artificial intelligence. This one here. Click on it, increase my bid, and then click get it. So you can see we got that. And then the final and the last card we can use to earn more in this game is called gold mining tools. This one here. Click on it, increase your stake, and click on I'll be lucky. And for sure we're all going to be lucky on this channel as long as you keep tuning in. If this video was it's good for you guys, go ahead and just alright guys, if you actually want to earn more inside this game, all you need to do right now is just keep tapping. Once you're done tapping, you can go ahead and just improve yourself. The more you improve yourself, the more you're going to be getting from there. You can see improve yourself. This is the discipline. Improve, keep improving the discipline. You can see that you're going to be earning more per hour. Your profit per hour keeps going up. Okay, so guys, this is going to be everything for this video. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.